Hello guys, thank you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Moa. Remember, this is 2022 lesson 2. We are here, man, doing some things, playing the piano, and today I'll be playing a song that is called Twende, Nyumbani mwa Bwana. It's a request from one of you. I hope you enjoy this lesson. So guys, without wasting my time, remember to subscribe, like and comment to this channel as always. And remember, you can view all my lesson. I have a lot of lesson that will help you in your piano career. So guys, keep supporting Fred Moa and let's start our tutorial right now. So without wasting our time, I'll start playing with my melody. So the first thing I will be doing is to show you how you have to find your key. So I'll be playing on G, so I'm not going to transpose my piano. So I'm going to play just on this scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So we are going to start with this. You have to play that. Let me play with one finger. So the song is, the melody is like that. So I have to show you. You start from here. So Twende, nyumbani mwa Bwana. So you don't touch this, huh? So we start from here. Remember, you are not supposed to play with one finger. You are supposed to mix your finger. I'm just teaching you with one finger so that you can see what I'm playing. So let's play with the other finger. You can hear when you play with many fingers, it's not like playing just with one finger. So it's not like playing with one finger. So after that, you are going to play your call. So let me show you how to play the chords. The chords are very simple. You are starting from here. You start. Let me play with this. Like that. keep in mind that. So we are starting. After that, you are going to welcome your bass side, or your left hand. So let's start with our scale, and then we play our chords, and then we are going to combine with our beta. Guys, I hope this lesson was helpful to you. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like and comment. I don't have anything else to add on this lesson, but practice till you make it perfect. So happy new year. I wish you all the best this year. Thank you guys, and God bless you.